Welcome back. Here I am inside the project responsive website demo. So for the demonstration of the form control, I am going to add a new page form.html. So just right click on the responsive website demo project and select add an HTML page option and name it form. So here we have form.html. Let's copy the code from the home.html and paste it inside the form.html. So inside the container section we have a class row and we have three column: main, container, left navigation and related content. So for this demonstration I am going to remove the related content section, and inside our main content section let's remove all this content as we no longer need this. And we have to make some changes in the column classes. Earlier main content section was taking the 6 column width, so now let's change it to class call sm9. I have to make change in the call sm pull class accordingly, so let's pull it by 9 column. So let's save the change and let's see what we have till now. Select the form.html and select option view in browser. So now we have left navigation on the left hand side and we have rest of the thing is inside the container area. So now we have new form.html page. So let's add form controls here inside the content area. So here inside the section main content, let's add a form control. So HTML provide a form tag to create a form. So inside the form tag, let's place some input controls. So here inside the form tag, I have added some fields for name, email, password, confirm password, and for date of birth. Bootstrap form group class provide the optimal spacing among the controls, and we have to add a class form control on each input control. It make the input controls responsive for different device sizes. For label control we have for attribute. For attribute specifies that for which control this label is used. So the value of the for attribute will be the ID of the input control associated to this label. Bootstrap also provide a class help block. This class is used to display a help text for any specific input control. So we can use class help block to display hints to the end user so that they can enter data accordingly in any specific field. Let's add page heading on top of form tag. So let's save the changes and refresh our page. So now here we have a responsive form. We can see on the different device sizes this form is responsive. The width of the input field is fit according to the width of the viewport. By default Bootstrap provides width 100% on each input control, so it takes the complete width of the available viewport. So here we can see that we have input fields for name, email, password and confirm password fields. Here here we can see that we also have the help text that I have described for the password field. Our date of birth field is of type date, so browser will render a calendar control, so user can select any specific date from this calendar, and this also provide masking so that user can only insert a valid date.